Saturday morning was quiet, but the kitchen looked like a disaster already. Mom looked around the kitchen sadly. Dad slowly realized how messy the house had become.
Tom?
Silence. Everyone stops. You are not finished arguing. You must clean the house immediately, now.
The children could not believe the news. Cleaning the whole house sounded impossible. The bedroom looked much worse than they expected. Clothes and toys covered almost everything. Emma suddenly turned cleaning into a fun competition. Tom became interested immediately after hearing about cooking. The cleaning game quickly became complete chaos. Soon, clothes were flying everywhere across the room. Under the bed, the children discovered something terrible. An ancient banana peel was hiding in the dust. The cleaning finally became real work. Together, the family slowly transformed the messy. The living room looked even worse than the bedroom. The children suddenly felt tired again. The family worked together to repair the broken bookshelf. Slowly, the living room started looking beautiful again. The kitchen still waited for them. And the mountain of dirty dishes looked impossible. Tom tried to wash dishes like a professional. 5 seconds later, disaster happened immediately.
I'm so sorry, you two, really. Take my word for it.
But not this one. No way, Dad. You missed a spot.
Fine, you're all right.
Just when the family finished cleaning, a special visitor arrived at the house.
At this place, it looks just like a brand new home.
Thank you for cleaning, Grandma. We cleaned everything, said we did.
Did you clean the house?
We wiped all the dust and cleaned the toy box, too.
And we put all the books back on the
I'm sorry. Yay! The children slowly realized something surprising. Cleaning together had actually been fun. In only a few minutes, Max destroyed the clean kitchen completely. Explains that doesn't feel angry anymore, but the muddy disaster became funny instead. The house was messy again in some places, but the family felt happier than ever together. Just when the house became peaceful, Max started another crazy game. At last, Max stopped running, but he still wanted everyone to admire his prize. This time, the family worked together without complaining. Making dinner felt easy after the long day. The house was not perfect anymore, but the family felt perfectly happy together.
Everyone had learned something important today.
The family thought the chaos was finally over.
But Max still had one last surprise waiting.
The house was messy again, but the family was together, happy, and full of love. And beside the kitchen trash can, Max barked proudly one last time. The long day was finally ending. Tom and Emma felt completely exhausted. Their bedroom was messy again in small places, but somehow it still felt perfect.
Even the hard work now felt special. The children remembered all the funny moments together.
Even Max finally became quiet. The crazy day was finally over. The house finally became quiet again. This time, everyone was peacefully asleep. And inside the little house, a happy family dreamed peacefully together.